Hi and welcome to my channel and my new video. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you. Over here we have the Gshock GA 700 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust your watch hands or how to sync your analog with the digital time on your watch. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is basically the mode where the watch is basically telling you the time, press and hold the adjust button for 5 seconds. So let's press it and hold it, holding it, holding it, holding it, and there it is. You have to release the adjust button when these 3 zeros appear and start to flash and H set appears on this left part of the digital subdial. Now the watch hands should align exactly at 12 o'clock, and that is basically the correct position for your watch hands. As we can see over here, they are not properly aligned. The watch hands are properly aligned when they are exactly at 12 o'clock, but if they are not, like in this case, I'm gonna press the reset button or start button over here to fine-tune the watch hand position. So this is the correct position, but just in case I want to show you if your hands are way out of the way, press and hold the start button and it will engage the fast rotation of your watch hands. The hour hand should mimic the movement of the minute hand. So basically that's it. I will now align my hands correctly, and there it is. That is the correct position of my watch hands. And once I'm done, I'm gonna press the adjust button and the watch will implement those settings. Now the watch hands should show the digital time over here, 14:45, and there it is. It's almost 14:46, and that is the correct time, analog time. Thank you very much for watching. It was another video on my channel, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. Thank you.